In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Stripe from Payhip. This is really useful if you're switching payment providers, moving to a different Stripe account, or simply want to clean up old connections you're no longer using. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by logging into your Payhip dashboard using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, select Settings. When you click Settings, Payhip will open your account settings page. This is where you manage things like your profile, store details, and other important configurations. At the top or near the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled Payment Details and click on it. This is the section where all of your payment methods are listed and managed. Once the payment details page loads, you'll see your available payment methods. These are the services you've connected to accept payments from your customers. Among them, you should see Stripe listed. Take a moment to double check that you're working with the correct Stripe connection, especially if you manage more than one account or have multiple payment options set up. To the right side of the Stripe option, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click on this Manage button. This will open up more detailed settings specifically for your Stripe connection. Inside the Stripe management view, scroll down or look carefully toward the bottom of the page. You'll find a button labeled Disconnect. It's usually positioned at the lower left area of that section. When you're ready, click the Disconnect button. As soon as you do that, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Payhip wants to make sure you're intentionally disconnecting Stripe, since this can affect how you receive payments. The pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to proceed. Read the message carefully, and if you're certain that you want to unlink Stripe from Payhip, click Yes, Disconnect. After confirming, Stripe will be unlinked from your Payhip account. From this point on, customers will no longer be able to pay you through that Stripe connection until you reconnect it or add a new payment method.